Alright, we're going to do a vaginal cytology on this sweet girl here. This is Miss Luna. I have my sterile cotton swab that I have just removed. I'm very sure not to touch the tip of this to anything. I'm also going to take just a little bit of sterile saline and just drip it on there, just so it's lubricated a little bit and not dry going in, so it's a little bit less uncomfortable. And then as we go in, we're going to be sure we start going in at an angle upward. And then we go, and we're going to start going at a kind of more of a 45-degree angle. A little bit and kind of spread apart all the hair that she has. Since she's such a big girl, unfortunately, I have to go almost all the way in, and then we'll kind of rotate it a few times, take it out. We've got our sample here. I'm going to go ahead and be very careful to roll and not smear the sample onto the slide. And I'm going to do the second one here. This is a spayed female. So we'll go ahead and go stain this and see what we can find. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and stain this. We're going to start with the red one, since this is a different stain, not the blue one. We're going to go ahead and dip it in there about 5 to 10 times. And there's no need to rinse in between going from one to the other. So we'll go ahead and we'll dip in here. And then we'll rinse it off. We'll look at it under the microscope. Alright, we're going to go ahead and look at the slide. If you can see. So we're going to go ahead and start at the smallest amount and see if we can get it in focus. It's already pretty focused there. Get it focused on the next one. definitely seeing a lot of bacteria. You know, a little more and see what these cells look like.
Morning. How are you?
Alright. Since she's spayed, we're going to be seeing a lot of debris and just a lot of superficial cells. Just because she's no longer receptive to any males. Now, if she were to be in anestrus, she would have a lot of intermediate and parabasal cells. And if she was in proestrus, there would be a lot of red blood cells and a lot more superficial cells, including neutrophils and bacteria. And then in estrus, she would have mostly superficial cells, and the bacteria would be attached to them. But that's pretty much the analysis of a vaginal cytology.